Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to comment on Khan Academy. Very easy to comment on any video. So let's go ahead and find a video to watch. Let's do this one right here. And all you need to do is, let's say this is the video you want to go ahead and comment on, right? So you just scroll down here under questions. The only thing is, so you can see everyone is commenting right here, right?
So this is Sal Khan, founder of the Khan Academy.
We'll go ahead and pause that. So all you need to do is ensure that your account is at least 3 days old, have a verified email address, and you must have at least 5,000 energy points. As long as you meet these requirements, you are able to comment right here like these people, okay? So I can just type this in, I can comment, say hello, and then just click on comment. Of course, if you meet these requirements. And there we go, guys. Really that easy and simple.